Daily use English sentences. I'll be back soon. Repeat, I'll be back soon. This sentence means the speaker is going away for a short time and plans to return in a little while. It shows reassurance and a temporary absence. Example: A. Are you leaving the office already? B. Yes, I need to grab some documents from my car. A. Okay, we will wait for you here. B. Don't worry, I'll be back soon. Let's see what happens next. Repeat, let's see what happens next. This sentence means the speaker wants to wait and observe the situation before making a decision. It shows patience and uncertainty about the result. Example: A. Should we cancel the plan because of the weather? B. I'm not sure yet. The sky looks clearer now. A. So what do you think we should do? B. Let's see what happens next. It's getting late. Repeat, it's getting late. This sentence means that the time has passed more than expected and it may be time to leave, stop an activity, or make a decision. Example: A. Do you want to watch one more episode? B. I would like to, but I have work tomorrow. A. Yeah, we should be careful about time. B. You're right, it's getting late. That's not what I meant. Repeat, that's not what I meant. This sentence is used to clarify a misunderstanding. The speaker says their words were understood in the wrong way and wants to explain their real intention. Example: A. So you are saying my idea was useless? B. No, that's not what I meant. A. Then what were you trying to say? B. I just meant we could improve it a little. Don't lose hope. Repeat, don't lose hope. This sentence is used to encourage someone to stay positive and not give up even when the situation feels difficult or disappointing. Example: A. I failed the interview again and I feel really bad. B. I know it's hard, but don't lose hope. A. Do you really think I still have a chance? B. Yes, the right opportunity will come soon. Why are you laughing? Repeat, why are you laughing? This sentence is used to ask the reason someone is laughing. The speaker may feel curious, confused, or slightly concerned about the situation. Example: A. Why are you laughing during the meeting? B. Sorry, I just remembered something funny from yesterday. A. Was it related to work? B. No, it was a message from my friend. Let me know if you're free. Repeat, let me know if you're free. This sentence means the speaker wants the other person to inform them when they have available time. It is polite and often used when planning to meet or talk later. Example: A. I want to discuss the project with you. B. I'm busy right now, but I should be free later. A. That's fine, there is no rush. B. Okay, I will let you know if you're free. I need to make a call. Repeat, I need to make a call. This sentence means the speaker needs to call someone on the phone, usually for an important or necessary reason. Example: A. Do you want to continue the discussion now? B. Just a moment, I need to make a call. A. Is everything okay? B. It will only take a minute. Don't worry, I've got it. Repeat, don't worry, I've got it. This sentence means the speaker is confident and taking responsibility for a task or situation. It tells the other person there is no need to be concerned. Example: A. The customer is waiting and no one is helping them. B. Don't worry, I've got it. A. Are you sure you can handle it alone? B. Yes, I will take care of everything. I forgot to set the alarm. Repeat, I forgot to set the alarm. This sentence means the speaker did not remember to turn on their alarm clock, usually causing them to wake up late or miss something important. Example: A. Why are you rushing this morning? B. I forgot to set the alarm. A. That explains why you are late. B. Yes, I woke up much later than usual. Can you help me with this problem? Repeat, can you help me with this problem? This sentence is used to politely ask another person for help when you are facing a difficulty or do not know how to solve something. Example: A. You look confused. Is something wrong? B. Yes, I can't understand this math question. A. Do you want me to explain it? B. Can you help me with this problem? Let's go for a walk. Repeat, let's go for a walk. This sentence is a friendly suggestion to walk together, usually to relax, get fresh air, or talk. Example: A. We have been sitting here for a long time. B. Yeah, my head feels tired. A. The weather looks nice outside. B. Let's go for a walk. He's been acting weird all day. Repeat, he's been acting weird all day. This sentence means that someone's behavior has been unusual or strange throughout the day. It often shows concern or confusion about that person's actions. Example: A. Did you notice John today? B. Not really. Why? A. He's been acting weird all day. B. Oh, maybe something is bothering him. Let's plan something fun this weekend. Repeat, let's plan something fun this weekend. This sentence is a suggestion to organize an enjoyable activity or outing during the upcoming weekend. It shows excitement and a desire to spend time together. Example: A. I feel bored staying at home all weekend. B. Me too, we need a change. A. Any ideas? B. Let's plan something fun this weekend.
Thanks for watching.